Okay, so in this video we're going to be working through an exam question that was sent in by a student. It says here is the graph of y equals x squared plus bx plus c, and we've got a demonstration of that graph here. We've got a x-intercept at 5, 0 and p, so we've got p here and 5 here, and we've got a y-axis intercept at 0 and minus 10, so we've got the y-intercept there at minus 10. And we're asked to work out the x-coordinate of the turning point of the graph. So the turning point is the lowest part of the graph, which is there. So how are we going to do that? Well, straight away we can state the value of c using this information here. Because when x is 0, 0 squared cancels, and b times 0 will cancel as well. So y will just equal, minus 10 will just equal c. So straight away from that we can say c equals minus 10. And when we put c as minus 10 into the equation, we get y equals x squared plus bx, and then c becomes minus 10. And we can use the point here 5, 0 to work out our value for b. So the point 5, 0 has x equals 5, so the x coordinate is 5 and the y equals 0 because the y coordinate is 0. So we can put those and we can say 0 is equal to x becomes 5, then we're squaring it, plus x times b, so that's going to be 5b, and we're taking away 10. When we simplify that, that's going to give 5b plus 25 minus 10 is 15. That's going to equal 0. If we take away 15 from both sides, 5b will equal negative 15. And dividing by 5, we get b is equal to negative 3. So now we can write the equation of our graph as y equals x squared minus 3x minus 10. And to find the turning point of the graph, we need to complete the square. And when we complete the square, we're still going to have y equals, because the graph's still going to be y equals. And we're going to halve the number here in front of x, that's going to become minus 3 over 2. We're going to square that, and then we're going to take away what the square of this number is, so that's 9 over 4. And then we still need to minus that 10, and then y will equal x minus 3 over 2 squared, and that will become minus 49 over 4. Now we can get the coordinate of the turning point, that becomes 3 over 2 and minus 49 over 4, so therefore the x-coordinate of the turning point will be what the x is here, which is 3 over 2. And that is your final answer. So to be able to answer this question, we needed to use these points. We needed to know that c was the y-intercept, and we previously needed to know or have been taught how to complete the square.